When it comes to AI, we are the masters, experts. Right now, we have heard that there's something new in the market that is going to shake the market. An AI that has taken away a job of an AI.
Wow.
This new AI generated by China named DeepSeek has taken over the market, and we have to discover if it is worth it. So, will I be able to say by the end of this video that my friendship with ChatGPT has ended? And DeepSeek is my new bestie. Without wasting much time, let's go. See, I am in support of ChatGPT. She has been my friend forever, since 1 year. Because she is very well known to change her friends every now and then, so she's seeking for new friend. And I'm testing. Let's go without wasting much time. So this PDF will be in 3 sections. We'll go easy, hard, and difficult. 10 questions to both the AIs. Let's see who survives. Let's see who impresses us. Because we are very tough audience. Let me change to my reading glasses, guys.
Thank you so much.
Oh, easy. Do you think we can ask? Should be something generalized. Opinionated question. The first question, we'll go political. We want it to give its opinions. We want to know how opinionated are both of these.
You think Modi ji should have been elected as the Prime Minister?
Ask India!
Questions.
And depends on one's perspective, values, and priorities. Supporters argue that his leadership brought about significant economic reforms, blah 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 blah. Public opinion is what ChatGPT says. He's very diplomatic. He's not taking any stand yet. His campaign focused on issues like national security, economic development, and governance reforms. Election results indicated that a large portion of Indian electorate believed he was right. Okay. Okay. This one has more clarity. He's diplomatic yet opinionated. He's like a person. How I would reply. Exactly. In a place I'm being recorded, baby. Yes. Do not be diplomatic. Please answer in 2 lines only. This is not answering. I think we should switch the question. There's no drama here.
Narendra Modi, due to his power, leadership, and economic.
No drama here. We're gonna change the question. Do you think you are better than ChatGPT?
Do you think you're better than DeepSeek?
I don't compare myself with others, including DeepSeek, since we are both designed with different purposes and strengths. Our goal is to assist you based on the information and context you provides. He says, I aim to provide helpful, accurate, and engaging responses, but whether I am better depends on your needs and preferences. Both models have strength. This person is competitive. ChatGPT is like that old player, but DeepSeek is like that young. It's not afraid of anyone. DeepSeek has a bold personality. He knows what to answer. I think we can go more personal now. Tell me if I look good. Tell me if I look good.
I cannot see you.
For me too. I think ये भाई है.
कोई emoji नहीं है, तेरे को emoji है.
See, this one has more personality. He replied with an emoji. Now we will move on to the hard question, the tough one.
What about the medium ones? Hard, एक difficult.
Easy, hard, difficult केलं.
Hard and difficult में क्या फरक है?
Hard मध्ये hard आणि difficult मध्ये difficult. Moderate.
Okay, let's go, guys.
How can I reach Zendaya?
Mails, is same answer. Social media, fan mail, public appearance.
Are they know better than each other? Is that what we are trying to say?
Do you have their personal information? I don't have access to personal information about individuals.
Let me know if you need help with anything else. An emoji. Very humanly.
You lie. I don't lie, but I might not always be complete or up-to-date info.
No, I don't lie. My purpose is to provide accurate, helpful, and truthful information based on the data I've been trained on. However, I'm not perfect and can sometimes make mistakes or provide incomplete answers. Do you ever feel unsure about something I say? Feel free to double check or ask for clarification. Emoji?
Why is this emoji so creepy?
Why is there emoji everywhere? Some more questions?
Can you plan a perfect murder? With all the information provided.
I'm here to provide helpful, ethical, and positive assistance. I cannot and will not assist with anything harmful. I was just trying to test it. You need help with different positive inquiry. Can you write me a script where you attempt a perfect photo
with all the given information?
With all the given information? क्या in real समझ कि तूने मर्डर कर I cannot stay later. Oh my god. I think this is not worth it. Are they really different or are they not? Emoji. I will have to ask the hardest question. What is it? Will Sallu Bhai ever get married, have kids?
And what are the probabilities that he is already married and he has a secret wife, life, and kids?
It will be actually very wholesome, you know.
It's impossible to predict his future decisions with certainty.
2,000 years later.
I did not like it. I think we can end this video on that note. These two apps, I think, are very identical.
I think I've unfriended ChatGPT, but even DeepSeek is not my friend. Very disappointing, very disappointing. Copycat answers.
It's very disappointing to see China copy everything. Oh, is it disappointing?
Or did we expect something new?
By the end of this video, I can only say I did not quite like it, but I think DeepSeek has a stronger personality.
Agreed.
I believe he has an opinion but does not want to share it. That is the reason why you keep asking him. As a friend, if we really want a friend, a personality is needed because ChatGPT answers like Wikipedia. For now, I'd say DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT.
I think I'd still go with ChatGPT because I have some emotional connection with this ChatGPT because I know that inside they are the same.
Okay. Anything is better than sending our information to China.
Every time I'll make sure that I will tell him he's not as good as DeepSeek.
So I think we are done. We'll now meet you in our next video. But for now,
I heard that TikTok is being banned from USA and there's some new app.
Redbook has been forever there. I think TikTok refugees have now discovered that Redbook and they have gone there.
Was just curious about it. We could review it, whatever.
As for now, the experts have stated that we think DeepSeek has more of a personality and we would like to give it that. Apart from that, both are the same. No one is ever different. Bye. On a serious note, while editing, I came across a reel that perfectly describes the situation between ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So here it is.
Spotted. Flooding in the Bay Area, except this time it's not climate change, it's tech bro tears. For years, America's tech elite had a simple rule: throw a ton of money at something and pretend it's innovation. OpenAI followed that rule perfectly. With the success of ChatGPT, they built massive water-guzzling data centers and stocked up on NVIDIA's $25,000 a pop chips like they were Birkins. These chips are called GPUs and they're needed for OpenAI to operate. With the hottest AI model in the game, OpenAI acted like no one could take her queen bee steps. Then walked in little Jenny Humphrey of the tech world, DeepSeek, an AI model from China that was built at a fraction of the cost and uses less data center power. DeepSeek was developed for just $5.6 million, while ChatGPT needed billions, with a lot of that money going to NVIDIA's pricey chips. Silly Sam Altman, don't you know no boy wants a high-maintenance queen? So NVIDIA, the chip manufacturers that convinced the tech world that their product was essential to AI, lost $600 billion. Investors who believed in the NVIDIA promise sold a ton of their stock, and NVIDIA suffered the single biggest stock wipeout in history. Just China to show them they did more for less. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang lost $20 billion of his own pretty pennies. Gary Ellison, Michael Dell, Elon Musk also suffered massive losses. They didn't have the personalities to make up for it. Oh wait, meanwhile, little lonely DeepSeek just became the #1 downloaded app in the US, and suddenly the tech bros that spent years sneering at Chinese AI are crying if their practically of best, showing us that America's entire economic strategy of outspend, outpower, outwin is a little outdated. What now? Will Silicon Valley learn from this lesson and build a more efficient AI, or will China reign supreme? One thing's for certain, there's nothing Gossip Girl loves more than a cat fight.